Yes, as you can see, guys, the whole fucking place is down. Now look, the whole of Jamaica, I mean, the whole of Westmoreland, from the west side over there. Look. What that mean? When I said, yo, I don't know what Yes, once again. Yes, Father God. When we survive the one and I make no more board house in our life. Look for the one of Father God. Look. Jesus Christ. Watch out. Upset. Greatest thing still we're still alive, you know?
Calm down, Melissa.
But this time is to win a lot. Look at that.
Calm down, Melissa.
Hold on the youth. Yo, this is what it look like right now. I have to be hiding, guys. The storm is crazy. I can't believe it. It wanna take me away. Look at that little place down there. It's holding on. It's being strong. Look at those plantains and those bananas around there. See, they gone. They all gone. Nobody can cross it if you don't understand the wind. If you don't understand the wind, you cannot cross it. Oh my God, there's so much nature. So much nature, and the wind is so terrible right now. That's what it looks like right now in my little circle that I'm in. Oh my God.